Good morning, everyone. We are coming to you bright and early from none other than Discovery Cove, a place that I've actually never been to before, but it's gonna be a fun time. We're gonna go swim with dolphins, eat a lot of free food, a lot of great stuff here, and I can't wait to bring you guys along. It's gonna be a fun time. Let's head on the inside. All right, we got our lanterns now and we're all checked in. So ready to head on inside and start our day. So here are the lockers. We're about to go and put our stuff away and then grab our wetsuits over here. They said no GoPros or filming allowed during the dolphin experience, so everything has to go into a locker, but I will see you right after. All right, time to go change into the wetsuit now. Want to see a magic trick? Ever been kissed by a shark? Oh. And so guys, that's going to conclude our day here from Discovery Cove. We basically have been here since dawn until dusk. The sun is now starting to set on our fun-filled day. Sorry I couldn't film any of the dolphin experiences. They made it very clear no cameras were allowed. That was right there with the whistle to basically give the sign to get out of here. But they basically made it very clear that no filming was allowed during the dolphin experiences, so I obviously respected those rules, but I did get to capture some nice underwater footage through the coral reef, which was definitely a cool experience. Probably the highlight of the day for me. But guys, that's gonna do it from our day here at Discovery Cove. I'm gonna head on out of here as they're trying to kick everyone out. So of course, stay tuned to ParkTwister for more adventures like this in the future. Got a lot of stuff planned, but that's basically it. Got no extravagant outro or anything, so let's head on out of here, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.